Hi folks! We decided to get a new composter this spring to make our own compost at home. This is the FCMP IM4000 dual chamber tumbling composter. I got it off Amazon and I've shared the link in the description below. It took us a little while to put it together as there were a lot of screws involved. You can open the air vent to add more oxygen in case the mix smells bad.
Here we go!
Add a scoop of garden dirt to introduce the needed microbes. I added a bowl of roughly cut kitchen scraps. I could have probably cut them a bit smaller to speed up the process. For the brown material, I added some dry leaves. The ratio of moist greens to dry browns should be 1:2. You need to spin it 5 to 10 times each time you add new material or every 3 days. Other browns I tried adding were dried herbs, egg cartons, toilet rolls, plain gift wrapping paper, newspaper, straw and sticks. I even tried adding a pizza box. When one side is full, let it cure and start adding new material to the other side. The clock symbol indicates which side is time curing. The manual says the compost should be ready in 2 to 8 weeks. But after 2 weeks, it doesn't look anywhere near done. So I will keep the curing side for up to 8 weeks. Mix should feel like a damp sponge. One of the screws came off and I found it lying on the ground. I will put it back. Hopefully it will stay this time. Worth noting, the area under the composter will get a little dirty.
There's four now here. Told ya.
After 2 months of curing, I will try and empty the cured side. Place a plastic sheet on the ground. Oops! Be careful of the locking mechanism. First rotate the doors to the bottom. Then slide the doors of the cured content chamber open. Some brown materials did not decompose in 2 months. Sticks, avocado seed, pizza box, and leaves probably need a little more time. Next time I will stick to straw for the browns. As we progressed through the season, I noticed an increasing number of insects and small spiders on the composter. The autumn batch looks much better, although I would add even more browns next time, as I found it still a bit wet. I was doing more of 1 part greens to 1 part browns ratio this time. This wraps up the season for us. Hope you like this video and do consider subscribing for more garden related stuff. See you next time!